Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get chat from any single platform. Kick, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, anywhere, Trovo, anything. With one single plugin, all in one place, on your OBS. And it's quite easy to set up, but once it is set up, it is done for good. It's so good. You can do it on 3 different browsers as far as I know, which is Brave, Edge, and Chrome. Firefox does not work with this, or it's outdated, I'm not too sure, but I could not get it to work at all. So I advise using them 3 browsers. So guys, I'm going to show you how to install it on all 3, and then we're going to get straight into it right now. So guys, you want to go ahead over to this page. I'll put the link in the description for you to download. And this is called Social Stream Ninja. It's a brilliant add-on that you can add to your OBS and obviously to your browser which you are using. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge browser. This is the browser I use. So let's go ahead. So what you want to go and do is jump to download and instructions. And once you're here, you want to go and click on this link here where it says download the newest version. It's going to automatically download. And then you're going to head over and open it up. Once you've opened it up, you want to go and unpack this into your document somewhere. So I've got mine by here. Unpacked, ready to go. It's all there. All good to go. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and make sure you go to your extensions and then manage extensions, okay? So once you go to your extensions, you want to make sure there's going to be a little button over here, saying developer mode. Make sure that's turned on. And what you're going to do, you're going to load unpack. You want to head over to your documents and you want to unpack this and press select file and it will unpack. And it'll be here. Okay, so once it's done, make sure it's turned on, and obviously make sure it's at the top up here then, so you can do that by here by putting the eye at the top. As you can see, you can add different things with it. So make sure that's on, okay? So we've done it here now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop over and show you what it's like on the other browsers. So as you can see, I've got Brave on my left, and I got Chrome on my right. So we're going to start off with Brave. What you want to do is go to extensions. You're going to put developer mode on, and you just want to load the pack in. Exact same way as you've done it for the other browsers. You where you've done it. Stream main by there, both is done. Alright, so once it's done by there, that will be up here. All good to go. And there it is. So you can pin that by there. And then it's there, good to go. So that's how you do on Brave. How you do it on Chrome is a bit different. So you're going to go to your settings. You're going to go to extensions. And then you got to make sure the development mode is on. And then you're going to press load unpack. And you're going to do it the exact same way as you've done it before. Find your file, select it, unpack it. Both, it's done. Same thing. If you want to there, just pin it, and it's there. Alright, so that's how you use it. In terms of the next bit, I'm just going to use my Edge browser for all. But it's the exact same principle as from now on any single browser. So guys, for the next bit, you want to open this. This is the tab for the extension. And what you want to do, you want to start by copy and pasting this link. And you want to go and open your OBS. What you want to do now, as you can see, is here, go to Docs, Custom Docs, and you want to create a new one, say Ninja Chat, whatever you want to call it, and add this link in here. Just copy and paste it, and that's how it does it, all right? And then you'll be able to have a doc like this on the left-hand side, okay? So bear that in mind, because we're going to be coming back to that now. What you can also do as well, and I'll show you why, you can add the chat overlay feature over here. I do like this feature. Copy the link of that. Again, add this as a browser source. Okay, so you're going to have it be the same one as this. So you're going to add as a browser source. I don't know if you know how to add it. So go start. Go to the plus sign. Sorry, my apologies. Browser. Rename or whatever you want. And then you can copy and paste the URL in here then. And add it as a browser source. Alright. So that's how you do that. So head back to your browser and click the little green, or it could be red, depending if it's on or off, little tab at the top. And in here now you can change different settings if you would like, the way it looks, the way it moves, how many seconds it stays on for, etc, etc. All this can be done from here. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go load up a YouTube, I'm going to load up a Kick, I'm going to load up a Twitch stream, and see how they work. With Facebook, I can't do it in this one simply because I'm not streaming on Facebook. And you need to do this the exact same way as I'm doing it, but from your creative studio. So guys, I have loaded up 3 totally random streams, one on YouTube, one on Kick, and one on Twitch, all playing different types of games that are popped up on my FYI page. So there you go. I'm going to be using these, and what you're going to do, all you want to do is literally pop out these chats, pop that out, and minimize it. We're going to pop this out, minimize it, and we're going to pop this out, and minimize it. And you can do the exact same thing, but you will have to do that from your creative studio in Facebook for Facebook. Alright? Because we can't access that and we can't do that from a viewer point of view. Okay? Once you're done with them, simply close them. Leave these popped up chats in the background, okay? What you're going to want to do next is go here, and as you can see, you can now see all the chats from the different platforms in the active chat. You can see people commenting, you can see how people are doing. I can't see the YouTube one, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pop a little message in there. There you go, you can see there. And what you can do as well, if you click on the comment, you can have a pop-up on the bottom and have specific pop-up on your stream, and that's why that browser source is there. If you don't want that on your stream, then you don't need that on your OBS. You don't need that as a browser source. So guys, if this has helped you, please don't forget to like, sub, and drop a comment. Ask any questions you can. Yeah, it is a really simple thing to use. Really simple to set up. You got different buttons down here, like keep the chat at the bottom. You can comment on your own chat. You can do everything from here. It's absolutely fantastic. I really do recommend it for anybody who is multi-streaming and does not want to pay for anything. And it's really good using this multi-output option, where you can totally bin off multi-streaming via, I don't know, Restream or any other program like that, and do multi-streaming this way for free in OBS. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care. Much love. Peace.